Why let dough rise twice? I'm just wondering, what's the point of letting dough rise twice? I've seen a bunch of recipes in the form, mix dough together and knead, let it rise, knead again, let it rise again. Why do they do this? Doesn't kneading just push the air bubbles out?
Allowing dough to rise twice results in a finer gluten structure than allowing it to rise once. It results in a smaller crumb and prevents huge gaping air holes in your bread. The reason that you have to let it re-rise is that you just pushed all the air out with the kneading you did developing that gluten structure. One reason to do a second knead, and I'd do a real short, gentle one if required, is to redistribute the yeast a little, giving it fresh food to work on. But I'm not sure I'd actually knead twice even if I wanted to do that. I'd lightly punch down and fold the bread in thirds and call it done. As already said, the second rise does nice things for texture, and it also allows the yeast to grow longer, giving you more yeast flavor and converting more sugars from the flour, giving you a nice flavor complexity. In my opinion, you can get the same effect by having a much longer, like overnight, cool rise in the first place.